to start here at the Lindbergh Elevators. There's 4 in each bank. These also used to be Westinghouse, but they were installed a little later.
Alright, thank you. I say, okay, I'm in the elevator now.
We're here on 3. Here's your certificate. We're gonna go up to 8. These ones don't have a voice. And these indicators look more red than they do brown, interestingly enough. You can see, just real quick, there's a cool sunset out there. Take a look at that. Anyway, I just realized me stepping out of the elevator is a problem because I gotta walk all the way over here now. It'd be so much easier if they had another call station like right here. We're gonna go to 4 because that's where we got on.